A lot of cars that came in today. Jeep Grand Cherokee, Silverado diesel, more Cherokees, Jeep Wranglers. We got a Durango SRT8 parts car, good motor. 2021 4Runner, 2020 Honda Pilot, 2019 Ford Explorer, 2020 BMW 7 Series with a 12-cylinder, 2020 not RAV, 4Runner. Got a 2021 Atlas. That's a 2021 Corvette. 2019 Ford F-150. $50 to $70 vehicles coming in every week. That's another Silverado diesel. It's a 2020 C63 coupe. Land Rover Evoque 2020, Ford Explorer, ST 2021, got Jeep Grand Cherokee parts car, doors back, we have everything you need. Got a Corvette back there. So all kinds of makes and models coming in every week, non-stop. If you like the content on our channel, hit the subscribe button, like the videos, and we'll keep updating you every day. Thanks for watching.